Hi there. Quick rundown on our integrated vac and valve combination basket. This is the new school way of doing things for your swimming pool. As you'll know, most people will understand, your weir that's in your paving takes a basket, then takes your vac lid. You then have to add on an adapter, and there are a number of different valves on the market. Either of them, whichever ones you're using, you'd have to add that valve on. Then on top of that, you'd need an elbow so that your hose can then fit onto that elbow and out your weir. So what you'll also notice is this basket, the old school current stuff, doesn't clip on. It lays loose in your weir, and it's quite difficult to get it out when it's full of leaves, or put it back in if it's slightly distorted and out of shape. So away with all of this, you replace that whole lot with this new school design and technology. The basket, as you can see, clips into your vac lid, which makes it significantly easier to put in or out when it's full of leaves, or putting it back in. It also retains its shape then without having it distorted. That unit replaces that whole ugly lot that you get on top of that vac lid. Why? That is your integrated adapter for your hose. You'll see it can fits every single hose that's on the market. Your Barracuda, your Creepy, your generic hoses, fits a number of sizes because of the design. So it's tapered in such a way that it fits all of those. Then most importantly, this is your regulator valve over here. If you look there, that is what allows the water to bypass should there be a blockage in your pipe, and also to regulate your pool cleaner movement and suction levels. So this unit not only is your vac lid with the integrated hose adapter, but it's got an integrated regulator valve. So that unit there replaces all of these more expensive type of regulator valves that some only have a couple of settings. This is completely adjustable. It has a stainless steel thread, so you can literally fine-tune the suction or the bypass through your regulator valve. Also, because it sits so low in the water, you don't get that air vortex and that suction. It also cleans up a lot of the dirt that generally will sit in the bottom of your vac lid because it's so low. So that whole lot replaces that little lot, replaces that whole lot. And as I say, because it's so low, your hose can clip on and easily, without having kinks or bends. No requirement for a 90-degree elbow, fits into your pool. So that's really the new way of doing things, and at a significant saving compared to adding up the price of all those different units. You'll notice that there's the brown and the blue. The brown fits the standard quality or Earthco weir, Earthco type weir quality, and the blue fits either the spec or the old swim quip type weir. So the brown replaces your standard brown, and your blue replaces your blue or your white old school type weir. What's important is the basket is universal. So the single basket fits either your blue swim quip type unit or quality Earthco type unit. So it's a universal basket. The basket can also be used on its own with any of your standard vac lids. So it is completely universal.